back to today's video. I know it's been like almost a month. It's been a good 3 weeks since I've last posted, and I just needed to take some time off, you know, did a couple of things, had some alone time, had some family time, but now I am back and we are gonna continue posting. And I know I do this like every 3 months, so I'm so sorry, but it is good for just like me and like my mental health. But yeah, hi guys, I missed you guys so much. So I'm going to vlog the whole day of eating today and just kind of show you guys like, you know, what I've been eating, what's been working, what's not been working. I hope everyone out there that is on a weight loss journey, I hope that you guys are still doing good, still going strong, seeing progress, and you know, just getting to your goals. So yeah, this is kind of gonna be like what I eat in a day slash like spend the day with me vlog. But yeah, I'm currently working right now. It's 11:58 a.m. I am gonna go downstairs and eat. Still fasting as normal. I fast until 12, and I actually got Jamal to do it with me as well because he has noticed that he's gained weight, and I said just fast until 12 and like just see if that makes a difference. And he did for a few days and he did see a difference. He saw a difference in like how he felt, and then like also on the scale. So now he fasts with me, which is really good when we're both at home. So anyways, let's go downstairs. I have some avocados. I don't know if they're ready yet, so we'll go and, okay, let's go. So we are actually gonna make avocado toast on sourdough bread. I know this isn't low carb, but I just have been craving this. I've been seeing so many people make sourdough bread, and like, I'm not a baker. I don't know how to bake really anything. I like mess up the brownies in the box. So anyway, I bought sourdough bread and I just wanted to try it. You know, I feel like if you're not doing low carb, this is still a healthier option for breakfast, lunch, brunch. But obviously if you are doing keto or low carb, you don't want to eat sourdough bread, but we'll just eat it today and try together. So I don't want it like too thick. Oh no. Okay, this is so bad. Okay, that's not what I want. Okay, let me just make it thick, I guess. Okay. All right, there's one piece. That's pretty. Okay. I think this is good. So we have one big piece and then one like kind of small piece. We're gonna go ahead and toast this. All right, look at this avocado. Like so perfect. Avocado toast. So. Salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic. And then keep smashing. Okay, so this is perfect. I already tasted it. Okay, got my toasted sourdough bread. You can skip mayo. I am gonna add mayo to mine because I love the flavor that it gives. Use that fork and get it all nice and spreaded. So I made bacon the other day and I just cooked the whole pack. That way like I would have bacon when I'm ready to eat it. And then we're gonna add red pepper flakes. You can add like a hard-boiled egg, like shave it. You can add a over medium, over hard egg. You can really add anything to your avocado toast, but this is what I'm having. All right guys, and this is what I'm having. It's gonna keep me super full. Probably will only have one other meal later today because I know this is gonna keep me so full. Lots of good fat. protein. All right, let's have breakfast or lunch, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I know this is like not the best angle because like the light is literally behind me, so, but I just wanted to take the first bite with you guys. My avocado toast on sourdough bread. It's so crunchy. So good. Bacon. I'm gonna add some hot sauce just to give it a kick. It's gonna be so spicy, but so good. Okay guys, it is 2 o'clock. I'm so thirsty. We just ran out of bottled waters. It's been like 4 days now and we've just haven't had time to go to Sam's or Costco to get water. So we've been using my Aquasana water filter. Where am I? Water filter system. I believe the link is still good. The code is still good. So I'm gonna link it below, but I do love this so much. It's quick, easy. You're saving plastic and it's just easy for my family to use. You just just having a Stanley cup helps me drink more water. I always get months. My real job, like that's what paid the bills. Then my YouTube, my partnerships, everything I made on the side with like social media, that was like my money, like my play money, like my travel money, like my save up money. Like that was good. But then I just couldn't, I don't know, I just couldn't separate and I just couldn't like come to terms that I had to use my YouTube partnership money for like bills. So that only lasted 6 months, and then I came into a realization that I need to go back into the work field and like work to pay my bills, and then YouTube will just be like my play money. So I've been in this role for 1.5 years and again I love it. So, and yeah, that is just a little update on what we do for a living. Just getting some steps in. I'm gonna walk for 15 minutes. Okay guys, it is 4:30. We are getting Kyrie now from school, and then we are going to have dinner. So we have a couple places that we have in mind that we want to try. They just opened up a new Mexican place near us. It's called Tacos and Tequila. So maybe we'll try that. If not, we'll probably go to Red Robin. I don't know. I took like a little nap after work, so like my eyes just like look, I look tired. But yeah, Here's Micah. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog. You guys haven't seen him in so long.
I didn't flip my body in here.
Alright, we'll wait for Kyrie. Guys, it is so hot. It is 98 degrees.
No, it's not. It's 94. It's 98 in the car. Hi. Say hi, people. Hi, people.
Say hi, vlog family.
Hi, vlog family.
Aww.
Look what Kai got for snack.
Grapes and
Goldfish.
Say hi. How was school?
Good.
Thumbs up. Yeah.
Snacky.
Mommy.
You should have seen what was going on.
It's hot. It's hot, baby. It's hot. Okay. Hot. Blow it. Hot. Hot. Come here. You can't scream.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die.
Alright, last round.
I can hide.
It's on the tree.
What this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes.
Okay, guys, we're home. So we went to Red Robin, and then after Red Robin, we went to the park. It was kind of like a spontaneous little last minute
My friend kid.
park. And then we met a little friend there. I'll post the pictures here, and you guys saw the videos of us running. I'm so surprised that I beat Micah in racing a few times. He beat me once.
I'm fighting.
And Kyrie too, yeah.
And mommy too.
Yeah.
Daddy too.
So
My
it's very surprising because I'm like 20 years older and I feel old. And I feel like Micah is so fast, but I still beat him. So I just put salmon in the air fryer because I have to go into the office tomorrow. And Kyrie's reading a book. So that's what I'm gonna have for my lunch tomorrow. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. It's 8 o'clock and it's still super bright out. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's been a while since I picked up the camera and I really did have a good time today, just kind of filming and showing you guys my day. But I do want to film again, maybe tomorrow. So I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for always supporting, always watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Oh.